So congratulations, you have completed lesson number 3 of Crypto Zombies. Achievement unlocked. Hero Zombie has been upgraded to level 3. Lesson 2, Dead Zombie have been upgraded to level 2. Show up your zombie to arm your friends. Let's see if it is generated or not. No, it's still not generated in chapter number 3. Might have some issues in it. So you can tweet and post on Facebook and join Telegram. So that's it from lesson number 3. So we have completed 3 lessons. Let's see. Yeah, we have completed advanced ID concepts also. So in next lesson we will going to see zombie battle system. So that's it from this series. Uh, the third lesson of Solidity path, which is advanced Solidity concept. So we have completed 3 lessons from zombie cryptozombies.io. So thank you very much, and let's meet in next lesson. Thank you.